So here we got the iRobot Roomba 552 model. It is used, it's not new, but it looks great and it works great. And the battery it comes with has a 52-minute life on both hardwood and carpet mix. So if you have just hardwood, there will most likely be an hour of life on the battery. So I'll get through it. It has the AeroVac system. And it comes in this box here. This will make a great gift for somebody. So first off, I got the two virtual walls, auto virtual walls. They do come with batteries, used ones. The life on the batteries I'm not sure, but you turn them on. So auto virtual walls with batteries in great shape. And here we got the slim docking station. It's also in great shape. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures. And here we got a very good condition power charger, power adapter. And the Roomba itself right here. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. But basically I'll show you that it has some little scuffs in some places like the bumper area, which is normal from just regular use. My pictures will have a little more details. So again, this is the 552 model. Pet series, and it does have an AeroVac system, which is great for pet hair. So the bottom side I got here is a brand new side brush, excellent condition front wheel, and there's the model number 552. I'll take the dustbin out. Alright, so again, a closer look to the AeroVac vacuum bin. Alright. There's a model or serial number in case anybody interested in. And everything has been here cleaned off with the Clorox cleaning wipes. So you get nice clean robot. Brushes there. Very clean brushes. And the gearbox and clean head module has been cleaned out and relubed, so you get a long life out of this robot. And I'll show you right now that it works, so you know it does work. So turn the power on. And I'll do a straight run so you guys see that the bumper sensors work fine. So here's a straight run right here. Alright, thanks for watching.